To connect your Capybara Nation account to Crypto.com, start by opening the Capybara Nation platform on Telegram. From the home screen, click on the relevant icon. Then select the Summit Wallet option. Next, click on the drop-down menu and choose the Crypto.com wallet option, followed by the Choose Wallet button. You will then need to enter your bonus deposit wallet address, which can be found in the Crypto.com app. To do this, open the Crypto.com app, navigate to the account option at the bottom of the screen, and select Crypto. Then, choose the Transfer option, followed by Deposit, and select Bonus from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose your preferred network. The default is Grown, and click the Copy button to copy your bonus wallet address. Return to the Capybara Nation platform and paste the wallet address into the required field. Then click the Confirm Wallet Address button. Finally, click the Confirm Wallet Submission button to complete the connection. This process should now be complete, and your Capybara Nation account should be successfully connected to your Crypto.com account.